I wanted to share with you guys the fonts that I'll be using to create Canva letter frames. This is one of them, and this is Baloo, and it's here in Canva, I believe. I have it right here. I think it's with the free because it doesn't have the little crown like this one. And then we have this one also, and this one is Little Groovy. And then we have this one. This is Sunday. This is Sunday. And also, it's a thin font. If you could see here, it's a thin font, but I'm planning on making it a little bit bolder. To make it bolder, I'm just going to go ahead and select it. Go here to Effects, and then I'm going to go ahead and add an outline right here. And then it's right now it's at 50. The thickness is at 50, but we're going to go ahead and change the color. And then once we change it, it's all black. And then we're just going to see, how thick we want it. I think that's good enough. So I think I'll leave it at 30. Change it to 30 right there. And see, so now it's a little bit thicker, but you could put it as thick as you want. Just separate the letters and move them around so they won't be together. But this is one that you could make it a little bit bolder. So I'm just going to leave it in the meantime like that. We also have this one, and this one also is thin. And this is limonada. So we're going to go ahead and select it also as well. And then we're going to go ahead and add right here an outline. And then we're just going to change the color to black just to match the letters and see how it's more bolder. So these make good Canva letter frames. And then this is another one. And then, like I said, if you want thicker, then you could go ahead, and this one's Nectarine. You could just add more, make it bolder by putting an outline and making it the same color. This font is Baroque. It's right here on the top. This is another one that I would add the outline. Let me go ahead and add an outline. Make it black. And see, now it's thicker. So I like this one. And you could add, more or less thickness. It's up to you. So this is HOBO, Hobo. This one is Wedges, and it's right here on the top if you could see it. This one is Tan Songbird. This one is Shrickhand. We have this one, Arturo Outline. This is Arturo Outline. This is Balabelu. And this is TT Milk Casual. And we have this one is K New Wave, something like that. I know I'm butchering the name, sorry. And then this one is TT Master. Then we'd have Modoc. I like this one. We have this one, Frankfurt Highlight. So I'll be making frames with these, and we'll see how they come out. This is Frankfurt Medium. And this is Bright Retro. And this one's another one that I'll probably make it a little bit more bolder, adding the right here, see, maybe less of an outline. And then we're just gonna try and see how they come out right here. So just keep on following along, and we'll be converting these into Canva letter frames, so you could add your own pattern. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.